man is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach.
edge of the earth, scream your name till the fires burn my lungs. Wanna drink till I don't feel the urge, so run back to you and lay it down. Make me yours. I can still feel your breath all over me, feeling me. I could fuck with you for eternity, infinity. Turn on the lights on. I could be your lover, I could be the one for you and no one else at all. So high up in the day till you see how bad I need this. I'll give you all of your place, never leave, I need to keep it. So high up in the day till you see how bad I need this. I'll give you all of your place, never leave, I need to keep it. I could fuck with you for infinity. All of your place, till you see how bad I need this. Give you all of your place, till you see how bad I need this. I wish I never touched no one before. I envy the hurts that you adore. You love. Don't wanna fight, so let's settle the score. Tear me apart, but don't let go. I can still feel your breath all over me, feeling me. I could fuck with you for eternity, infinity. Turn on the lights on. I could be your lover, I could be the one for you and no one else at all. So high up in the day till you see how bad I need this. I'll give you all of your place, never leave, I need to keep it. So high up in the day till you see how bad I need this. I'll give you all of your place, never leave, I need to keep it. I could fuck with you for infinity. Cause I know what's right now, feel you at all. I know what's right now, feel you at all. I can still feel your breath all over me, feeling me. I could fuck with you for eternity, infinity.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13. Working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working right